Good morning, everyone. I am AaravGupta from Gurukul School and I study in Standard 6. My idea's name is Second Chance Station. So, the problem statement. Problem that I am trying to solve is the unnecessary disposal of items by students that could be repaired, reused, or repurposed into usable resources. This thing which I am trying to solve will be promoting sustainability. The proposed solution and my idea. The second chance station is like a hospital for broken school supplies. Instead of throwing away a wounded item, to bring it to the fixed body doctors who heal it, make it stronger, and send it back out ready for action. Like if you bring a broken pen to us, we will heal it using a sellotape, which will promote engineering. How my solution idea works. A second chance station is simply a place where students recycle and fix things. The act of repairing is set up to be a required learning experience for engineering and STEAM promotion. My future plan. I have asked my parents and my teachers for it. They told me that's a good idea. We will be doing it in our school where students will bring their broken items here and fix it. If I get a good feedback from the children and my fellow teammates, we will promote it in other schools as well. Thank you everyone for your sponsors. Your support fuels our innovation.